What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're doing a Cobb AccessPort install on Brennan's Evo X. This kid right here already has one installed in his stock WRX. No, I'm just kidding. But so we're just gonna be installing it on this Evo. It's progressing, right? Hit him up. Here's his Instagram. Alright guys, we're now taking a ride in his Evo. We're gonna see how his, was it a high flow filter? High flow filter has an effect on the car. Supposedly the blow off's better. How's throttle response or anything else? That's good. Okay, he doesn't know what it did, but
I'm sorry, that was crazy.
The high flow filter like supposedly helps, so we're gonna do some pulls and hopefully get pulled over. Alright, we're doing, what are we doing, pole reaction?
Pole reaction 2017. 10K likes and I'll install it.
10K likes. Let's see how many likes we can get on this video. I think our most has like 40 or something, so. We should do a flyby vid.
You want to?
Yeah, let's do it. It smells weird. He's gonna be doing a downpipe and drop a like on this video if you want to see more Evo X vids.
Did you catch the moon?
I heard you talking about this the whole time.
Alright guys, so that's how slow a stock does. I'm just kidding. Alright, so we're gonna start installing the AccessPort. Do you know where you're gonna put it or mount it?
I think on the right.
Does it come with a mount for this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dope.
I think that looks like on the right. Fourth gear,
Hey Hayden, you have a new friend by your car?
Oh fuck yeah, pussy. So here's this waste of money right here.
Not that much.
You follow who it is?
You get a vape charger. That's pretty cool.
I got two phones.
Trust bro. So look at that icy ass watch right there. Nice little mixing.
Yeah, it costs 100K.
Yeah, it's probably like $200.
Something like that.
Something like that.
Oh, I got another
New phone, who dis? Alright, so you're not official unless you run the Cobb sticker right on.
It has to go right
it
here.
right here. Are you gonna put it on?
No.
Do it. Do it. Because then you're progressing. We'll stop like a send nude sticker.
So no head?
No, so no. Alright, what is this?
That's a case.
Case.
Dude, that case is not like the front. I have no idea how to get it on there. This is the back end, man. Come here. Yeah, it like does not fit.
Let me try something.
Bruh.
You don't really even need it.
It's a joke. It's a fake.
Oh no, it's just a remote.
Oh, it's another cover.
Yeah,
fucking dumbasses.
It's a case. I didn't know how to do that.
try?
Yeah, go ahead. You got little ass fingers.
Yeah, Brian, let me the 2 blocks. Hey, never mind. Hayden got it. Wait, actually, before
we just replaced this
before I
silver
put this
one.
on, I'm gonna take the.
No head.
Tried to do that when I wasn't here.
Me fun who
I
did?
caught you.
Alright, so after these 2 fucking idiots try to get off, I finally whipped her out. Alright, so what are you doing now?
Plugging it into the ECU.
Shit. So there's a little cap that you gotta take off.
Then you plug it in.
You have to turn the key on first to send the.
Yeah, he's showing us how to plug in the cord. Thank you, bro.
You don't have to turn it on yet. It tells you everything to do.
Alright guys, so we're gonna fuck with it a little bit. All we did was plugged it in and then plugged it the other end into the Cobb AccessPort itself. So now what we're gonna do is
Plug it into the OBD2. by the way.
yeah, wait, OBD2. And then now we're gonna figure out the wiring.
You got stage.
This light came on.
Really?
Yeah.
Welcome to the Evo X.
Welcome to the Volkswagen Club.
What's the Volkswagen Club?
When your check engine lights on.
Bro, mine's not even on. Alright guys, so we plugged it in. There's all different preset tunes on there.
Ate a little bit of ass.
Not appropriate, Brendan.
So you're gonna
Ate a
do
little bit of
stage
booty.
1.
Alright, something crawled up this guy's ass and cereal this morning. Bro, you need a
His
vape.
cornflakes were
You
extra
need
brown today.
so he is ordering yep, is he getting downpipe? Downpipe and catback exhaust pretty soon.
Black double XL dildo.
Ooh, shit. He's gonna get the lip too pretty soon. We'll do install videos on all those and probably follow up
I'm
reviews.
gonna get turbo back exhaust, I think.
Really?
Yeah, I think I'm just gonna straight turbo back.
And then for his WRX
It's a possibility, it's not for sure.
possibility of
Yet. If anything, I'll probably just get the Borla S-type cat back.
oh my god, he's fucking your shit up.
The time, the clock is ticking.
Alright guys, so whilst you're installing it, it will like lead you through the entire setup. It's pretty self-explanatory. You might have to start the car. And it's pretty easy to set up though.
Don't pop the hood.
Yeah, don't pop the hood.
We got yelled
Yeah,
at.
now we just need to figure out all the wiring and such. It gives you like a little rag to wipe it off, and then it's like a sticky adhesive side. You just stick it on there, and then it's good. And then we'll figure out the wiring after. Wake up! It's been an hour.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Oh fuck, dude, my arms are. I think they're stuck. They're stuck, bro.
It's stuck.
They're stuck.
He's been holding it for an hour, so the adhesive sticks. Hazen said to hold it on for an hour. This kid's been in here for an hour.
That's good. Just don't put it on there yet.
It's stuck, dude. They're not moving. Jizz.
To your what?
Block out. In it.
Just stay on this road and go past the gas station.
Yeah.
And then when it gets straight, you have to stop. And then launch it.
Good.
I'm not launching, bro.
That's how you're gonna get a good time.
What?
I don't know what that was, but I'm not doing that again.
What?
It like that wasn't me. I didn't do anything different, but
Yeah, it's
I'll flip around.
This is gonna be a long time. All right. The 0-60. Okay, it's definitely good. Right there, we're at Napa. So we're gonna run in there and we're gonna see if they got the fuel pump relay that we need. It's the blue one.
Never driven hard.
Never driven on all highway miles.
Oil change every 3,000 miles.
Alright, so his relay, bro, did you just touch my leg, bro? Yeah.
You're in my shit zone.
Ooh. All right, guys. So his fuel pump relay is shit and won't let us run stage 1 tune. So we're ordering a new one.
That was the July.
Yeah.
We're ordering a new
Pizza.
new
Boneless pizza.
Can I get that?